In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check baggage allowance in My Ticket, Air Canada step by step. If you want to confirm what bags you can bring before your flight, Air Canada gives you a few simple ways to check. This is helpful because baggage rules can depend on your ticket, your fare type, and the route you're flying. Taking a minute to verify everything in advance can help you avoid surprises and extra fees at the airport. To get started, you can view your itinerary receipt, check your booking's fare rules, or use the Air Canada Baggage Information Guide on their website. These are the main places where your baggage details will usually appear. Your itinerary receipt may show what is included with your ticket, while the fare rules can give more specific information about your booking. If you want a broader explanation of baggage policies, the Baggage Information Guide is a useful place to look. Once you're on the baggage page, you can go to the section for types of baggage. This area helps break things down clearly so you can understand the difference between carry-on baggage and checked baggage. That's important because each type has its own limits and conditions. For carry-on baggage, Air Canada allows one standard item plus one personal item per person. This means you can usually bring something like a small suitcase or cabin bag along with a personal item such as a backpack, handbag, or laptop bag. When reviewing baggage details, also pay attention to size and weight guidelines so your items fit within the airline's rules. As you continue, you'll also see details for checked baggage. This is the luggage that gets placed in the aircraft's cargo hold and is checked in before boarding. If you're planning to travel with larger suitcases, this is the section you'll want to read carefully. The standard checked baggage allowance lists the maximum linear dimensions per bag, including the wheels and handles. The total of the length, width, and height must be no more than 158 centimeters or 62 inches. The maximum weight per regular checked bag is 23 kilograms or 50 pounds. If your bag goes over the maximum dimensions or weight, additional fees may apply. So before you travel, it's a good idea to measure your suitcase and weigh it at home. That small step can save you time, stress, and unexpected cost at the airport, and that's how to check your baggage allowance for an Air Canada ticket. By reviewing your itinerary receipt, checking your fare rules, and using the baggage information guide, you can quickly confirm exactly what your ticket allows.